Let's start with common tax preparation challenge, the freelancer's dilemma. Many of our listeners are freelancers, juggling multiple clients and income streams. This often means a pile of 1099 forms come January. How can freelancers effectively organize their income and expense records throughout the year, Sam? Because waiting until tax season can be a recipe for disaster, right?
Absolutely, Alex. Proactive organization is crucial for freelancers. Think of it like building a house. A solid foundation is essential. For freelancers, that foundation is a robust record-keeping system. It could be as simple as a dedicated spreadsheet or as sophisticated as accounting software. The key is to track every 1099 as it arrives and categorize each related expense.
So, if I'm a freelance writer, each article payment would be logged along with expenses like software subscriptions, internet costs, even a portion of my home office rent.
Exactly. And keeping digital copies of invoices and receipts is a lifesaver. You don't want to be scrambling for paper trails during tax season.
That's a great point, Sam. Now, what are some common pitfalls freelancers face when gathering tax documents, and how can they avoid them, Sam?
One common mistake is misclassifying expenses. For example, a new laptop might seem like a business expense, but if you also use it for personal reasons, you can only deduct the portion used for business. Another pitfall is neglecting to track mileage. If you're driving to meet clients, those miles are deductible.
The standard deduction versus itemizing, right? So, as a freelancer, meticulous record keeping is essential to determine if itemizing is worthwhile.
Precisely, Taylor. You're catching on quickly. Sam, are there any other traps freelancers should be aware of?
One more is failing to account for quarterly estimated taxes. Unlike employees who have taxes withheld from each paycheck, freelancers are responsible for paying their taxes throughout the year. Not doing so can result in penalties come April.
So, if I understand correctly, even if I'm diligently tracking income and expenses, I still need to be aware of my estimated tax obligations. Are there resources available to help calculate these payments?
Yes, the IRS website has helpful tools and publications, and tax software can often automate these calculations.
Let's recap. For our freelance listeners, consistent tracking of income and expenses is paramount. Categorize everything, keep digital copies, and be mindful of potential deductions like mileage and home office expenses. Don't forget about those quarterly estimated taxes. If you're a freelancer, take action today. Set up a dedicated system for tracking your income and expenses, whether it's accounting software or a simple spreadsheet. Your future self will thank you.